Hi, my name is Damien and I'm from CTM. Today I have the privilege to be your product expert and I want to introduce you to the Laminated Flooring. Come have a look at my beautiful range. So, this is our sophisticated walnut laminated flooring. As you can see, this is a 7mm board, but what I love about this board is the realistic wood grains within this board. This board can also go into any living room spaces, such as bedrooms, passages, studies, and even living rooms. It's quite smooth, but it's so soft on the hand, and the durability, it's so durable. These are the reasons why laminates are a great alternative. First and foremost, it's got a 15-year warranty behind it, and the warranty covers all residential traffic. It's also environmentally friendly. It's got the antibacterial safety behind it, and it's Click technology. It's got the latest technology so that you as a consumer can install it in your house and do it DIY. The second thing is, when it's winter, it's actually warm. But when it's summer, the board feels cool. And that's a perfect board to have in your particular home. So, really now, if you really like this laminate floor, and I love it, please come to our website, www.ctm.co.za, find the product that you like, and add it to your cart. If you do not know how many boxes you need, please use the tile calculator and we'll calculate the square meters and the boxes just for you. And all you need to do is add to cart and proceed with checkout. And we will bring your dream product to your home. Thank you.